something beyond your wildest dreams. I know it may sound crazy, gotta write your own story.